Hello, this is Glen, and welcome back to our YouTube channel, where we bring you captivating travel experiences from around the world. Let's go travel. In today's video, we're diving into the vibrant city of Granada, Nicaragua. Known for its rich history, stunning architecture, and warm hospitality, Granada is a true gem waiting to be explored. So grab your passport, pack your bags, and let's embark on an unforgettable journey through this enchanting Nicaraguan destination. The colorful streets of Granada. As we step into the heart of Granada, we're immediately greeted by a burst of colors. The colonial architecture, painted in vibrant shades of yellows, pinks, and blues, creates a picturesque backdrop for our adventure. We'll meander through the narrow cobblestone streets lined with quaint cafes, boutique shops, and lively marketplaces. Join us as we soak up the local atmosphere, engage with friendly locals, and discover the hidden gems tucked away in every corner. Exploring Granada's architectural marvels. Granada boasts an impressive array of architectural marvels that showcase the city's rich history and cultural heritage. We'll visit the iconic Cathedral of Granada, a majestic structure that dominates the city's skyline. Inside, we'll marvel at the intricate details of the interior and learn about the significance of this religious landmark. Our journey continues as we explore the historic Fortaleza de la Calvor, a centuries-old fortress that offers breathtaking views of Lake Nicaragua and the surrounding landscapes. Prepare to be awestruck by the beauty and grandeur of these historical treasures. A taste of Granada's culinary delights. No travel experience is complete without indulging in the local cuisine, and Granada has plenty to offer. We'll treat our taste buds to a variety of traditional Nicaraguan dishes, such as the mouth-watering bigaron, a flavorful combination of yuca, cabbage, and chicharrones. Don't miss the opportunity to try the delicious nacatamo, a traditional Nicaraguan tamale filled with savory delights. We'll also explore the vibrant street food scene, where we'll sample local treats like fried plantains and Nicaraguan-style tacos. Get ready for a culinary adventure like no other, discovering Granada's natural wonders. Beyond its captivating cityscape, Granada is surrounded by natural wonders that are worth exploring. Join us as we embark on a boat tour of Las Isletas, a group of small islands formed by a volcanic eruption. We'll cruise through the crystal clear waters, marvel at the diverse flora and fauna, and even spot some playful monkeys swinging from the trees. For the adrenaline enthusiasts, we'll venture out to the nearby Maderas Volcano, where we'll hike through lush cloud forests, witness breathtaking panoramas, and maybe even catch a glimpse of some unique wildlife. As our journey through Granada, Nicaragua comes to an end, we hope you've enjoyed this virtual exploration of this captivating city. If you're as inspired as we are to discover the world's hidden treasures, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more captivating travel content. And remember, your support at Travel with Glens is greatly appreciated, allowing us to continue creating free content for you. Until next time, happy travels. If you like this type of content, please like this video and be on the lookout for other like this to drop.